Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure using Citi Double Cash card for bill payment, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using your Citi Double Cash card for bill payments, ensure you have your card handy. First, log into your online banking account on the Citi website or open the Citi mobile app. If you haven't registered yet, follow the prompts to create an account. Once logged in, look for the bill payments section in the dashboard. Select the option to add a new payee or biller. Enter the name of the company or service provider you wish to pay. Next, input the biller's account number as it appears on your bill. Choose the payment amount you want to send. Select your Citi Double Cash card as the payment method. Check the payment date to ensure it aligns with your due date. Review all the details for accuracy before proceeding. Confirm the payment to finalize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email or notification within the app. Keep an eye on your account to verify that the payment is processed. If you encounter any issues, contact Citi customer service for assistance. Remember to manage your spending to maximize your cash back rewards with your Citi Double Cash card. That wraps up the steps to configure your Citi Double Cash card for bill payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.